Hello everyone. I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ad Certified Advertising Professional. I'm also Facebook Ad Certified Advertising Professional, and my company is the Google Partner Company. In this video, I'm going to tell to you guys on how you can get $500 Google Ads free credit. The process is very easy, but let me be honest with you. You are not going to get $500, but instead you are going to get $400, and that is only valid for new advertisers. And you also have to match up with that deposit. So how you can do it, I'm going to show you. For instance, just click the plus button, open the Chrome tab, and right here Google Ads coupon $500. Okay, once you write Google Ads coupon $500, you can see over here there is our first sponsored ads by Google. Okay, try online advertise with Google Ads, create your account, set a budget. Just click on this, and you can see that a new page has been opened where it has been shown to help you get started with Google Ads. We will give you $400 in free ad credit when you spend $400. So that is a completely free offer. Even we are offering, in case if you haven't started on Google Ads yet and looking for to start your advertising venture online, my company is also offering you a $400 advertising credit whenever you are going to start your online advertising ventures with Google Ads. We will be gladly able to help you and assist you in setting up your campaigns. Even we can help you with Facebook ads, even we can help you with SEO, even we can help you with landing pages. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff where we can help you out, but you have to keep it in mind that the process is very easy. Just select the start now button and you can get started. You can see the offer over here. So it's an amazing deal for anyone looking to get a free coupon. So enjoy this $400, not $500, but $400 coupon to start your online advertising with Google Ads. The process is very easy. Now what you have to just select this one. I mean, start now, and you are in for a free Google Ads session. But because I am already using Google Ads and we are a partner company, so we have already linked accounts. So again, I cannot show you like the way I should have to, but the process is simple. All just select the start now button and you are started with your career of free dollars for your 400 credit. But again, you also have to keep in mind that you have to spend $400 as well. And yeah, Google Ads is an amazing advertising platform to run your ads online. And I hope you like the video, and in case if you like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also share this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.